And this is 553 and vertical LCD projectors. It stands 70 centimeters tall without these handles. It also have the nice convenient leather strips for holdings. And on the top of the unit you'll find the control button. This is the unique design features. Not a lot projector have it like this. It's not physical buttons, but instead LEDs back into touch panels. Let's move on. The back you will find all the ports there. One USB, one HDMI port, 3.5 millimeter audio in and audio video input. This model with the matte finish, and in the front we can see the big lens. Behind the lens we have the focus adjustment wheels that can make your image more clearly, and we also have the two IR receiver. One is in the front and another one is on the back.
This 120-inch screen is projected using the video projector, the Fire 503. And this is an image of this model as well as the packaging. Next is, okay, so this is an LCD display panel, and the size of the panel is 4 inches, which has the native resolution of 1280 by 720 pixels. The LED light source makes the brightness of this projector 170 ANSI lumens. It's bright enough for movie watching without any lights in the evening at home. And the speakers, the inbuilt speakers, are really good. They are stereo 3-watt speakers. This model is available in 2 versions. One is the basic version, the other one is the Wi-Fi Miracast version, which is the model in this video. Okay, let me show you what the launcher looks like. The remote control is very snappy. I like this a lot. Miracast is just right here, and yeah, you have some settings too: audio, video, iOS cast, and HDMI input. Let me show you a video playback.